To another morning to be making this market outlook video on US dollar pairs and gold. So let's dive straight into it. Here on the fundamentals, we have less red folder news. The red folder news we had today already occurred earlier in the morning, and now we have the only one left is the Canadian red folder for their speaker, and so that's all we have for the news today. We don't have much on fundamentals today, so let's just go straight to the charts. Here on charts, looking at gold SAUSD. So here on gold, we obviously are obviously running another all-time high, and I won't be advising anyone to be taking trades on this type of charts. Yeah, because chart is obviously running all-time high, and there's no I'm not just a fan of this gold because price is already too high to be bought, and also too high and too bullish to be sold. So I'm not a fan of gold right now. So I will just check out other pairs. DXY, I'm still looking for longs on DXY. I'm waiting to see my factor shift so I can continue with the trend and continue buying this pair. So I'm still bullish on DXY, still waiting for the factor shift. Maybe we might get pushback. We might see price pushing back down a little bit to take this low here. Then if we get this low taken, then we know this is our next demand zone. But I'm hoping this demand zone will hold the market so we can keep seeing longs. But we only jump into longs when we have our factor shifts. So that's that for DXY. Then on what do we call it? On Euro USD, I'm still waiting for shorts on Euro USD. Once we get our factor shifts, then we will favor more shorts on Euro USD. But for now, I will just keep waiting and looking to see market do its thing. So that's that for Euro USD. Same with GBP USD. I'm still waiting for shorts. on GBP USD. If we can get a factor shift, then we'll scale into some shorts on GBP USD. But for now, I'm still going to wait till price takes this high. I would love to see price take this triple liquidity, this bump in the load, like 1, 2, 3. We already have 2 taken, so the third one I just want to see price sweep that liquidity so that we can have our factor shift, then sell off. And AUD, similar stuff. I'm still waiting to see liquidity being taken so that we can continue scaling for or shooting or looking for shorts. You understand? So that's what I'm looking at for on AUD also. Then same with what do we call it? New Zealand dollar USD. NU, I'm still looking for shorts. Let's see our liquidity. Let's see liquidity being taken, then factor structure, then we can look for shorts. Yeah, on NU. Yeah, on NU too. So that's that for NU. Then CHF, we've had this liquidity being taken, and now after this liquidity taken, now I want to see price. I want to see price give us a factor shift from here. Once we get a factor shift from here, then I'll look for more longs to this high. Yeah, probably that high, probably. Same thing with CAD. I'm still looking for card. For card, I'm still looking for a little one more push down before we get the factor shift, or maybe we can just get the factor shift from here and then we'll keep longing card. But I just want to see card. I want to see card. I want to see card give us a shift, factor shift, so that we can continue longing. Same with JPY. JPY, I'm still looking for a factor shift so that we can continue long. But for now, let's see if we can, if price can drop down a little, take this low, then price will continue going up, or maybe to get to this gap here so that we can continue going up on JPY. Same with GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I'm still waiting for maybe one more push down from this other block, or we might just get our change of character from here. But I want to see price fill this gap, although I want to see price get to this gap here so that we can continue longing on GJ. Then a bonus one is a German 40. In German 40, I'm just looking for longs on this pay. I would like to see this liquidity being taken, then before we have a factor shift, then we can long this pay. This is very nice. It's something like what we had before in the past. We had our liquidity sweep and test of the demand zone, and from there we saw price, we saw a factor shift, and from there we got into this longs, this buy from here and hit TP. So I would still like to see something like that, something similar, so that we can continue with the longs on German 40. So that's that for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace out.